Welcome to Specto Technology. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and mount a large optical prism. Before getting started, make sure you have the following components: a 62mm weatherproof prism, solar and rain shield, large angle bracket, survey pole adapters, small angle bracket, screws, and washers. Let's begin by mounting the large angle bracket. Take a 1/4-inch bolt and place a washer onto it. The bottom of the angle bracket has 5 mounting holes, but the center hole is the recommended position. Insert the screw with the washer through the bracket and tighten it onto the mounting point. If the mounting surface differs from what is shown in this video, a 1/4-inch anchor bolt with a washer and nut will provide sufficient strength to securely support the prism's weight. Use a wrench to further tighten the screw. Next, attach the small angle bracket to the large angle bracket. Place a washer onto a screw, pass it through the large angle bracket, and thread it into the small angle bracket. Hand tighten so the brackets are connected but still adjustable. Place a washer onto a screw coated with Loctite. Now, let's mount the prism. Insert it through the remaining hole on the small angle bracket and tighten it into the back of the prism. Once mounted, adjust the prism so it faces the total station. Tighten the back of the prism with a 6mm Allen key. Finally, attach the hood. Push it onto the prism and rotate it until the prism is properly shielded from the sun. Use a 6mm Allen key to tighten the small bracket onto the large bracket. You're all set. You have successfully mounted a large optical prism. Happy monitoring.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.